Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 7 of the holiday series, and we are continuing with our side dishes, and we are making these Duchess potatoes. So if you've never heard of Duchess potatoes before, they're really cool. It's kind of like an elevated way to enjoy a mashed potato, but they look so pretty. And all you have to do is just take the mashed potatoes and put them in a piping bag, and they're so easy to do. You'll see it's like so easy, but I think it makes a really big and beautiful impact, just like how I talked about with like the holiday appetizer board. Little small details make a big impact on your holiday table. So yeah, as always, the full written out recipe is on my blog, link in the description box down below for that. Ingredients written out and anything that I think you might need, all in the description box. Also a link to order my cookbook Plantiful for the holidays, great gift. And if you are enjoying this series, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate all the love so far on this series. I'm having so much fun doing it, and I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying watching it. It really means so much. If you haven't seen the other days in our series, go check them out. They're really good. You don't want to miss them. And yeah, with all that being said, let's go make these Duchess potatoes. The first thing we're going to do is peel and chop 2 Yukon Gold potatoes. You want to peel these very well. You don't want any skin on here, because if you leave little bits of skin, it will get caught when we pipe it later. So then just chop it up into little pieces. We're just going to boil it. It's pretty similar to just making mashed potatoes in the beginning. So put those in a nice little pot, cover them with water, enough water so they're covered on top. Boil them for 20 minutes or until they're soft. Drain out any excess water, and then you're going to add in vegan butter. You're going to add in non-dairy milk, unsweetened, unflavored, garlic powder, and salt. And then you're just going to mash this up until it is really nice and fine. Okay, so you're going to notice a change of the pot here. I messed up on this first round and had to redo it, so we're on a different day completely. And I go into my blog post about what I learned, my lessons. So if you want to know what happened, go check it out. So just continue to mash until it is very smooth. Again, you don't want any clumps in here, because that will get caught in the piping tip. So you see how like when I push down on it and it's very thick, it almost be like not a dough, but you see how thick it is. It's really holding its shape. So you're going to take a large piping star tip. Either one of these is fine. I have them linked in the description box down below. Now you're going to pipe a small circle onto a lined baking sheet. Pipe these smaller and higher than you think they should be, okay? They should not be very large. You should be able to fit at least 4 across, if not more. And you want to pipe them really high, because otherwise they're going to fall when they bake, which we don't want. We want them to maintain their height. So I piped out a bunch, and then I had about half of my mashed potatoes left, so I went and added little tops to all of them to keep them high. So just do that, and then you're going to bake them at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. They will fall a little bit, but they should still have their height. You could see they're still like very elegant and regal looking, and they maintain their fanciness. They are crispy on the outside, and the bottoms are golden on the bottom. You can pick them up, but the cool thing is when you cut inside them, they are like a mashed potato. So I'm just going to plate them up on a pretty little serving dish, and then I'm going to add some garnish. If you've been watching this series, I love to add the garnish. And that is it. They're all done. They look so beautiful and fancy, but like I said, minimal effort. It really wasn't that hard. And piping mashed potatoes is so easy to do. I love it. It's so much easier than piping frosting, actually. And those little crispy goldeny bits, they're gorgeous. I seriously think that they will wow anybody who eats one, but they're going to think that you had to work so hard to make them. In reality, they were really easy. And again, minimal effort, maximum result.